Hello, everyone, welcome back to ITI Nimi channel. Question 1. Which law states that the induced electromotive force, EMF, in a closed circuit is proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux through the circuit? A. Ampere's law. B. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. C. Lenz's law. D. Gauss's law for magnetism. Answer: B. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Question 22. What is the formula for calculating the reactance, X, in an AC circuit with inductance, L, and angular frequency, omega? A. X equals L/omega. B. X equals omega L. C. X equals square root L/omega. D. X equals square root omega/L. Answer: B. X equals omega L. Question 23. What is the purpose of a Darlington pair transistor configuration? A. Voltage regulation. B. High current amplification. C. Low noise amplification. D. Frequency modulation. Answer: B. High current amplification. Question 24. What is the back electromotive force, back EMF, in a DC motor? A. The voltage applied to the armature. B. The voltage induced in the field winding. C. The voltage across the brushes. D. The voltage generated due to armature rotation. Answer: D. The voltage generated due to armature rotation. Question 25. Which type of motor offers constant speed regardless of the load? A. Synchronous motor. B. Induction motor. C. Universal motor. D. Stepper motor. Answer: A. Synchronous motor. Question 26. Which instrument is used to measure power factor in an AC circuit? A. Multimeter. B. Wattmeter. C. Power factor meter. D. Impedance meter. Answer: C. Power factor meter. Question 27. What is the main component used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy in a generator? A. Rotor. B. Stator. C. Commutator. D. Transformer. Answer: A. Rotor. Question 28. In electrical wiring, what does the term grounding refer to? A. Connecting to a power source. B. Connecting to a voltage regulator. C. Connecting to a common reference point. D. Connecting to a battery. Answer: C. Connecting to a common reference point. Question 29. What is the primary function of a circuit breaker in an electrical circuit? A. To amplify signals. B. To control motor speed. C. To protect against overcurrent. D. To measure resistance. Answer: C. To protect against overcurrent. Question 30. What is the device called that measures the turns ratio of a transformer? A. Transformer tester. B. Transformer analyzer. C. Transformer ratio meter. D. Transformer wattmeter. Answer: C. Transformer ratio meter.